What's up, everyone? Okay, so today we're gonna do a short, quick film. We're gonna go to a secret spot where I can't really say the details of where it is exactly because I think the locals would not appreciate that. But if you've heard of a place called Cuatro Cuatros, which is famous for their view, this place is just a little bit up the road and has an even better view, believe it or not. But there's no like place there. There's no bar, there's nothing. It's just like an abandoned house. With an amazing view. So we're gonna head up there right now and check it out. We're actually passing Cuatro Cuatros, which, if you don't know what it is, it's a lot of things. They have a few restaurants, they have some cabanas you can rent, but they're most famous for this place called Bar Buddha, which is this bar. It's like 250 feet up in the air on this cliff overlooking the ocean. And yeah, this is that spot. Okay, so we are getting close here. It's like kind of, well, not kind of, it is a private property. This whole is like a residential area, although there's literally nothing here. But yeah, it says that the gate stays open till 5 p.m. So if we are not out of here by that time, we might be staying the night here. We'll see. Okay, so we've arrived here. I mean, look at this place. It has got like all around, like even over here, like the mountains. Awesome. Valle de Guadalupe is just like right over these hills over here. So we're probably like 5 minutes from Valle de Guadalupe. It was a abandoned house, a project that a couple started, and then it didn't finish, and now it's here for our somewhat illegal enjoyment because I don't think we're really supposed to be here, but a lot of people keep coming, and it's an amazing spot. It's actually my favorite place in Ensenada. I apologize if the wind is hitting the mic. It probably is because it's super windy up here. It's like 4:56, and remember I said they close at 5 o'clock. So we need to wrap this video up and get out of here before we're like stuck in a no trespassing zone. Well, not really trespassing. I have friends that have ranches here, so I could name drop and try going that route, but we're technically not supposed to be here, so it's best just to get out in time. I hope that I got enough shots with the drone for a short video and with my camera, and I tried doing a time lapse with the GoPro just to get a short, recap of how amazing this spot is. It's one of my favorite places to go in Ensenada. I've been coming here the entire 6 years I've been living here. If you enjoy my videos, please smash the like button. I appreciate it. And if you have any comments about Baja at all, please put them down below and I will do my best to answer everything. I've been here for 6 years, like I said, so I don't know everything, but I do know quite a bit. So I appreciate the support, and I hope to see you guys on the next video.